Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
Sometimes learning a skill will have stages to it. So for our forward outside glide, we're looking at 2 different stages of learning. Let's consider the first stage of learning this outside glide. We're going to be looking at the squared version. That is to say, shoulders directly over the hips. That's what we refer to in the skating business as keeping square posture. Okay, so we're going to be relying exclusively on our ability to gently lean across into our circle to create the curves to go around the circle. Much like if you didn't want to steer on the handlebars of your bicycle, you're just going to lean and help it to coast around the corner. So as I take a few steps forwards, I set myself up nice and square, and then I use just a gentle lean across to help myself to bank around the curve. We're also going to look at where should our free leg be held. Now, in our demonstrations, when we're skating square, you'll notice that we keep our foot exactly at the side of the other one. Hips square, legs facing directly forwards, both kneecaps facing the same direction. So again, we're relying purely on our lean across into our circle to help us to go around the corner. And that's a great way to start. But I'd also like to introduce you to the next stage, which is going to rely on checking. Checking is an action where we make our upper body or legs face a certain way and sustain, slightly unnatural, if you will, as opposed to square, which is much more natural to the human body. So for our second stage, for our checked methodology, we are going to look at having our skating side, that is the skating foot, and the same upper body side leading the way, winning the race, if you will, as we skate. And everything that's going to be on the picked up side, which we call the free side, is going to be a little bit losing, a little bit behind the skating side, so that as we build our speed and move along, momentum, we have that skating side reaching ahead slightly and the free side losing by just a little. And you'll notice that the legs, as a result, are facing slightly different directions. Skating side is pointing where I'm going, free side a little bit off to the side.
A common error demonstrated here is a pivoting or unwinding of the skating side lead. Notice the skate side lead is in place at first, but the free side gradually catches up and overtakes. To overcome this error, focus on maintaining lead and follow at both the pelvis and shoulders and lower your arms slightly. Keeping the free leg and free foot closely following the skating foot also helps to reduce unwanted rotation.